Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how you can learn coding step by step in 2025 even if you are starting from zero. So the first thing that you need to do is to pick one beginner friendly language and stick with it. Python is the best starting point because it is simple to read and super useful in web development, data analysis and AI. Don't confuse yourself by jumping into Java, then C++, and then 10 other languages at the same time. One is enough in the beginning. Next, you need structure. Random tutorials can leave you lost, so you need to follow a roadmap or a beginner's course that goes from basics like variables and loops to functions and then to the projects. Think of it as a ladder. You can't reach the top if you skip the first few steps. Now, once you have got the basics, the real magic happens with practice. So you can build these smart projects, even a calculator app, a simple game, or a to-do list. Every little project teaches you how code works in real life, and these projects also give you something to show in your portfolio later. After that, you can challenge yourself with the problem solvings. Websites like LeetCode, then HackerRank, and even coding games help you to train your brain to think logically. And don't worry if you get stuck, that's normal. Debugging and searching for the answers online is part of being a real coder. Finally, you need to stay consistent. Coding isn't something that you learn in a week. Even 30 minutes a day is better doing nothing for weeks and then cramming. Small daily practice adds up fast. So, sum it up, I would like to say that you need to choose one language, then follow the roadmap, build the small projects, solve coding relating challenges, and stay consistent. And that's how you can actually learn coding in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.